I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to attach a file to an email on your Mail app on iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
First off, open your Mail app, which I'll do by typing in the search here. Once you're in your email, tap the bottom right to start a new message. Once you're here, type in who you're going to send the message to, type in the subject of the email, and then go to the body of the email. Now, above the keyboard, you'll see this little arrow. Tap on that, and then this will give you a few options like formatting the text or highlighting on the far right and marking up the email, or in the middle, there's the attachment. Once you click the attachment option in the middle there, you can either take a photo, select a photo from your library, scan a document, scan some text, or attach a file that you have from your Files app on your phone. In this case, let's just click take a photo. My camera app is facing the desk here, so I'll just take a blank photo. We'll use that, and now our picture is attached to this email. When you have someone in the to box and a subject line in there, you'll be able to click the arrow on the top right to send your email, and you'll be all set.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.